Somebody's doing a burn house. Yeah.
Respect the spot.
I know, right? Oh, no worries, bro. There's always that one guy.
Oh man.
That like shook like the whole ground. I was like, oh my god.